Hello and thanks for visiting. I'm Mercy Salinas with DiscountLowVoltage.com, and today I want to talk about LS Cable, the PureNet brand. This is their Cat5e white cable. It is available in a PVC or plenum rated jacket, and that should cover whatever you're looking for. Now, a few things about this cable is it is UL and ETL and Delta verified for guaranteed performance. It supports fast Ethernet, gigabit Ethernet applications. It has electrical performances that comply with TIA EIA 568B.2. And another nice thing is on the jacket itself, it has footage markings from 1000 to 0 and also in metric from 305 to 0. And it is also RoHS compliant. So another nice thing about this cable is that the same manufacturer also manufactures patch panels and jacks, so you can offer a full end-to-end solution and offer a 25-year warranty for you contractors wanting to offer something like that to the end users on certain jobs that are specifying something like that. Now you can order all this stuff online, and if you have any questions, call us. The number here is 888-797-3697, and don't forget to subscribe.